Welcome to the fascinating world of educational content, where learning knows no boundaries. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, education is no longer confined to traditional classrooms. The internet has revolutionized the way we learn, offering a treasure trove of educational content right at our fingertips. Online courses let you learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Whether you want to explore new topics or deepen your knowledge in specific fields, there's an educational platform tailored just for you. Educational apps turn learning into playtime. With gamified experiences and interactive quizzes, they make the learning process fun and engaging for learners of all ages. Virtual reality takes learning beyond the boundaries of the physical world. Step into historical events, roam through ancient civilizations, or explore the far reaches of the universe without leaving your home. Collaborating with fellow learners worldwide has never been easier. Through online platforms, students can connect, share knowledge, and work together as a global community of learners. DIY learning empowers you to acquire practical skills in a wide array of fields. From cooking to crafting to coding, the internet offers countless resources to turn your passion into expertise. Open educational resources promote inclusivity and accessibility in education. They enable learners from all walks of life to access high-quality learning materials without any financial barriers. The world of educational content is vast, offering endless opportunities for personal and professional growth. So unlock your potential, embrace the joy of learning, and embark on a journey of discovery with educational content. Together, let's create a brighter and more knowledgeable future for everyone.